and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate back and may stop momentarily.
Station for control. Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you've come while you push the time travel towards you. Now locate the monitor overhead to the right. Make sure your face is clearly visible and wait for the flash. Good. Sending photos to the future. All systems are go. Linking you now to your guide.
Like a grand and miraculous space, our planet is sailing through the universe of time. And for a brief moment, we have been among its persons. But where do we go? And what kind of future will we discover? Surprisingly, the answers lie in our hearts. Since the dawn of recorded history,
Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you've come while you push the time travel towards you.
like a grand and miraculous space, our planet is sailing through the universe of time. And for a brief moment, I'll show you how our ancestors created the world. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here, in this hostile world is where our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can act as a team and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next black idea, recording our minds on paved walls. There was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen. They created a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? Mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today.
तो शक्ति कपूर लग रहा है
With lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans proved how we live. To put their arms around it, they made a system of roads and roads in the world. Rome built the first World Wide Web, maintaining us safe.
Io stato qui a Aurelia Aduno. Aurelia Aduno.
Lost forever, or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Here is the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly copying books by hand. But that is about to change. Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation called the Renaissance. Sharing life's most important moments.
transcontinental railroad. Completely. Stop.
Sorry, number please. One moment. I'll be with you.
Amelia Earhart has gone when no other woman has gone before, and the memory of her daring deed will
By now, we're in in 1969, and somewhere to send a man to the moon, we'd have to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first very large, very expensive computers, but we see the potential. What if Switzerland could have one of these amazing machines in their own country? There's just one problem. They're as big as a house. The solution comes, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new and truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Now rotating back. Please remain seated. Attention. You are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention.
This, our spaceship Earth.
Attention, travelers.
Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Then we'll show you. Ready? Custom made just for you. Ready? Show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
Vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're off. Don't worry about the house. A PDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. With a leader between ultra-light, ultra-powerful, total network family car that can take you anywhere. You've already planned a trip with your virtual travel agent. Now options from hotels and restaurants along the way. Guided tours to Alaska and things that they come. Remember you're bored on the journey because your family car will be getting technology is meant to have friends outside the window. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. stolen power from your home fueling station, you're off. Don't worry about the house. A PDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. You'll leave your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wing it, the virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come. Getting there is half the fun, so your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window. Travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world.
And
Into the
jinkies.
future.
And cheekies.
Gone now.
Let's go guys first. With me. May I go? Okay. Come away, I'm going in the stroller. Are you ready? Come here, back. Was?